Hi friends, now we have entered into new financial year 2023-24. Individuals, particularly salaried individuals, they have to submit their income tax declaration to their employer for this financial year 2023-24. That's what we are going to discuss about this in this video. So this is the income tax slab. So previous new tax regime, current new tax regime. Previous new tax regime till 31st March 23. Current new tax regime starts from 1st April 2023. That is financial year 23-24. So up to 2.5 lakhs only. Earlier it was exempt, and now it's only it's increased up to 3 lakhs now. Old tax regime no change, and there was a slab of 25% earlier. Now there is no other thing, but slab is now increased now. So otherwise widened now. So this is the changes in the new tax regime between previous new tax regime and current new tax regime. And rate of surcharge also in previous surcharge more than 5 crores it is 37%. Now that 37% is removed. More than 2 crores itself only 25%, and surcharge in old tax regime there is no change. This income tax slab, I have done a detailed analysis in old tax versus new tax video. I will give that video link in the description. You can go and watch. Income tax declaration. Salaried individuals, they have to submit their income tax declaration to their employer, which is nothing but tax planning for the year financial year 23-24. Once you submit the declaration, TDS will be deducted every month from your salary accordingly. And this income tax declaration, most of the companies now it is online only, and you have to submit in the HR website, HR online link, and you have to submit this income tax declaration. Probably you will get a communication from HR department when you have to submit the income tax declaration. So you have to submit, you have to give your planning. Planning means where you are going to invest, whether you are going to take a life insurance policy, medical insurance policy, you are going to invest in public product fund, whether you are going to invest in a nation savings certificate. Now interest rate is increased in a nation savings certificate. So how much tuition fees you are going to pay in this financial year, roughly everything approximate amount only. You need not give the exact amount, it's only a planning. So you have to submit this declaration, and you have to give it to you have to submit to the HR. So based on your declaration, based on your financial planning, the TDS will be deducted from your salary every month. This is for salaried individuals. But what about self-employed individuals? They did not submit any declaration to anybody, but they have to do their tax planning themselves. For the financial year 23-24, they have to do their tax planning themselves, and obviously they did not submit any declaration to anybody. And one thing salaried individuals they have to do this year is financial year 23-24 is they have to choose between old tax versus new tax. In that declaration, they have to specifically mention whether they are going to adopt old tax or new tax regime. Suppose if they don't mention anything, by default, employer will deduct TDS under the new tax regime. So, if you are not accepting the new tax regime, then you have to specifically mention in the declaration, or you have to go and tell the HR that please deduct. I have so many deductions, I have so many investments, I have in deductions in ATC, ATD, ATE, or ATDDB, or house property deduction, HRA deduction. So I have so LTA deduction. So I have so many deductions. So I want to deduct my TDS in old tax regime. You have to go and inform to the HR, or you have to submit income tax declaration accordingly. And you have to check what is the time limit to submit income tax declaration with HR. It differs from company to company. Some companies are allowing even to file the income tax declaration in middle of the year also. So you have to check with your company. And salaried individual they can choose the between old tax regime and new tax regime every year. Even if they choose new tax regime this year, financial year 23-24, next financial year they can choose old tax regime. Suppose if you are planning to do a lot of investment next year, next financial year, yes, you can move, you can go back to old tax regime. That choice is allowed to salaried individual. And salaried individual they can choose between old tax regime, new tax regime every year. But if you are having income, any person having income from business or profession, they can choose between new tax regime and old tax regime only once. Suppose you are moving, you have chosen new tax regime, and next year you have chosen again old tax regime. Again, you cannot go back to new tax regime. Who? if you have income from business or profession, particularly for self-employed people, but for self income from salaried people also, if you have trading income, share trading income, it is considered as business or profession. So you have to be very careful. Even salaried people also, salaried individuals also, they have to be very careful. So if you are having share trading income, it will be considered as income from business or profession, and you can choose between old tax, new tax. Only you can switch over between new tax to old tax only once. Again, you cannot go back to new tax. Suppose salaried individual, they have chosen new tax in the income tax declaration, but they have done a lot of investments in financial year 23-24. So while filing income tax return for assessment year 24-25, yes, they can file in the old tax regime, even though they have submitted income tax declaration in new tax regime, but they have done a lot of investments this year, this financial year. While filing income tax return for assessment year 24-25 next year, they can file the return in old tax regime, and if there is any refund available, yes, they can get back the refund. Section 87A rebate, it is available up to 7 lakhs income for financial year 23-24 in new tax regime. Earlier it was exemption is only up to 3 lakhs, but income up to 7 lakhs you can avail rebate. It's not exemption, you can avail rebate under section 87A, and you will have tax saving of 25,000 rupees. Earlier it was up to 5 lakhs only, but now they have increased up to 7 lakhs. Income of up to 7 lakhs, you can avail rebate under section 87A. Old tax regime till only, even now it is only 5 lakhs, and you will have tax saving of 12,500 rupees. To avail this 87A rebate, you have to file your income tax return. You cannot say that my income is only 7 lakhs, sir. I am opting new tax regime, and that's why I will avail the 87A rebate, and there is no tax for me, so I'm not filing income tax return. You cannot say that. You have to file your income tax return. You have to show your income as 7 lakhs, and you have to say that I am availing 87A rebate, so that my saving is 25,000 rupees. I need not pay tax, and you have to file your nil tax return. You, to avail 87A rebate, you have to file income tax return. Then only you can avail that rebate. In new tax regime, even more than 7 lakhs income also eligible for rebate under section 87A. What we said now, up to income 7 lakhs in new tax regime, you can avail 87A rebate. But in the amendment, finance bill was introduced in the parliament on 1st February. But there was amendment in the finance bill in 25th March. So in that, they said even more than 7 lakhs income also they can avail rebate under section 87A in new tax regime. What it is, we will see it in the next video. Please watch and subscribe Investment with Yabu YouTube channel, and please share your comments, and please click bell notification for future videos. Thanks.